Sir Selwyn Clark Market. Ay, ito yung Seychelles nut. Coconut siya.
Parang hindi tayo dapat pinagdating. Walang labasan dito.
At naghanap ng mangga ni Batin.
Malapit ang mga.
Nag-explore kami ng market. Para siyang palengke talaga na Tiangge. Basta puro, may mga souvenir shops din. So far, ang daming makikitang mabibili. So, ang ina-accept nilang payment dito is Seychelles rupees, which is yung local currency nila talaga. Pero sa ibang shops and for tourists, parang euros ang sinisingil nila. Pero pwede rin naman kayo magbayad ng rupees. Since pag nag-ask kayo ng price, rupees ang isasagot nila sa inyo. But you can pay also in euros. Ganda ng mountains nila dito. National Botanical Garden. So guys, if you're going here sa National Botanical Garden, meron entrance fee na 250 rupees. You have to pay up front.
Ano lagi ko?
Yoy.
Ano kasi pangalan?
Nakakita na naman ako ng Seychelles nut. Okay, so dun daw tayo magpipay. Entrance fee is 250 Seychelles rupees. Yeah, tickets. So when you enter, sa left side yung registration, sa right side yung tickets.
All good?
Oh, super nice. Baka nandun pa sa loob.
Oo, mapapadumi.
So ito yung Coco de Mer. Ito yung tree niya. Dew Point Fitzgerald Garden. Oil palm. So ito yung oil palm. Botanical Garden map. Seychelles Thai Garden Giant Tortoise Enclosure. Finally! Sobrang daming turtles. Others are sleeping. Oh my god, it's making sound. Pumipilit. Yung mga tortoise pala na to, nanggaling siya sa Aldabra, yung most remote atoll of Seychelles in the Indian Ocean. So, ayun. Sobrang laki nila, as in.
The biggest one.
Eden Island and Victoria. So you can also see the airport here, but only the runway. Guys, dyan daw gaganapin yung FIFA next year. Grabe, meron pala silang malaking field. Yeah, apartments and penthouses.
Now we are about to
Eden
enter
Island.
Luxury. We're about to witness luxury.
Right now, nandito tayo sa Eden Island. Para siyang ano, no? Para siyang BGC. Alam ni Jill Sanders. Para siyang, ano, tiendesitas. Para siyang tiendesitas. Yung itsura. Big Eden Ice Cream and Bistro. Bili kaming ice cream. Wow. Thank you. Yes, please.
And please swipe it.
Wow! Takamaka Aperol Spritz. French fries. Prawn curry. Creole prawn curry. And peanuts.